Hey everybody, it's another day. I got my curls from yesterday, so let's do an updo today. I'm gonna make it up. I feel like maybe we'll do the PC kind of updo. Take pieces, twist the bottom a little bit and poof it up. So I'll take it, I'll twist it a little bit, poof it up, put my bobby pin in. Let's do like a crossover over here. I really just try to go with how the hair is naturally trying to go, because it makes my life simpler. I'm not trying to make my hair do something crazy that it doesn't already want to do. Do a twist, pump it up, put our bobby pin in. We'll go to this side, pump the strands. Put a bobby pin in. We'll pull this back right here. Twist it, pump it up. Push our bobby pin in. This one we'll just take back. I'm losing my bobby pins. I'm losing my mind. I have no idea where anything is anymore. It's full-on chaos. Every day. Okay. So we'll do half. I'll take half of it. I'll give it a twist. And I'll put in my bobby pin. Take the other half. Give it 2 twists. Put my bobby pin in. And then if you want to back comb the back, you want to leave it kind of hanging. Sometimes it helps to back comb certain spots just so that it'll fill it in. Especially if you're just kind of trying to feel around for what's going on back there. It's nice to know that you kind of filled it. Filled it in a little bit with some back combing. That's what we like to do. Cute, simple, easy, nice updo. You can go to work like that, go to the store like that, you can go to church like that, do anything you want. People are gonna be like, wow, great. I love your hair. How do you do it? I don't know, I just try. I take 4 minutes and 10 seconds and I throw my hair up and I call it a day. And I hope you're doing it too, okay? Come on, we can all do it together. Let's show the world we are beautiful. We are everything. I just made that fucking song up. I don't know where the fuck that came from, but I hope you're feeling beautiful and you are everything, okay? Positive vibes. Let's keep it going. 2018. We are in February, ladies and gentlemen. It is almost to my favorite holiday, St. Patrick's Day, okay? Because where everyone can be Irish and drink tons and tons of Guinness and whiskey. What the frick is better than that? February is almost over. We're to the middle. I hope you did your taxes. Get your money, okay? And then go get your hair done. That's what we need. March is almost here. April, May, summer. The kids are going to be out. But we're going to make it work. This summer, we are not wearing buns and ponytails. We're going to braid our hair, hit the water park, hit the pool, put our hats on, sunscreen it up, and it's going to be great. I'm telling you, this year is looking up, it's looking good, and we're all going to be doing better. If you like the video, press like. Comment down below if you want to see anything else. Monroe, of course, has been itching to do another hair video, so we will be having her back as our hair styling guest to do another video for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it, tell your friends, and let's all do our hair and style it in this year, 2018. Thank you.